Okay, today we're talking about the countries and capitals of Central America, and including Mexico and the Caribbean. In case you don't know, Mexico is not part of Central America. Mexico is actually part of North America. North America does include Canada, the United States, and Mexico. Central America is from this country just south of Mexico, all the way down here through Panama. This continent right here is South America, and then these are the Caribbean islands. So let's take a closer look at what we're going to be focusing on. Okay, this is Mexico. Okay, and you should have a map to fill out as we go along. So I'm going to start with the country names, and then I'll show you the names of the capitals as well. Alright, this first country right here is Mexico. This is Guatemala. Then we go next to Honduras, this big country. This little country right here is El Salvador. Esta es Nicaragua. And you can't see it in this map, but Nicaragua has a huge lake right in the middle of it. So when you actually see a map with the lake shown on it, it almost looks like this country is shaped like an N. And notice that it also has the word agua in it. It's because it has a big lake right in the middle. Right? This country is Costa Rica. And this one is Panama. Something that doesn't show here on the Panama portion as well is that we have something in Panama called the Panama Canal, which actually cuts the country in half to allow boats passage through the country so that boats don't have to travel all the way around South America. Alright. Up here we have Cuba. You can see Cuba is pretty near Florida, or our state Florida. So those are near to each other. Right here we actually have two countries on one island. This little country on the left is called Haiti. Generally they speak French there. But to the right we have La República Dominicana, the Dominican Republic, on the right hand side, and they do speak Spanish there. And then we have this little island right here, and that's Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico is actually a U.S. territory. They have the option of becoming a state in the United States if they wanted to. They just haven't chosen to do so at this point. So these are the 10 countries that we're looking at. Let's go look at their capitals. Okay, so here's all the countries over here and their capitals on the right. Repitan: Mexico, Mexico DF. Mexico DF, in English we call it Mexico City. DF stands for Distrito Federal. It's kind of like where we have Washington, D.C. This is kind of like federal district. Okay. The country, Guatemala. Its capital is actually Guatemala. We have the country Honduras. Its capital is Tegucigalpa. One more time, that's people like that word. Tegucigalpa. Next one, El Salvador. Its capital is San Salvador. Nicaragua. Its capital is Managua. Notice again, Nicaragua has the agua in the country name and also in the capital name, agua. Nicaragua, Managua. Alright. Costa Rica, its capital is San Jose. Panama, its capital is Panama. Cuba, its capital is La Habana. In English, we do call this one Havana, but in Spanish, it is La Habana. Okay. Right here, La República Dominicana, its capital is Santo Domingo. And last but not least, Puerto Rico, its capital is San Juan. Now, if you'll notice, both Costa Rica and Puerto Rico have San Jose or San Juan as their capital. And a lot of times people get them mixed up because they're like, oh, it has San and then a boy's name, Jose or Juan, right? So one way that that I remember that Jose goes with Costa Rica is that Costa Rica has OS, and so does Jose, OS. Puerto Rico has U, and so does Juan, U. So that's how I remember. There is a song on the website, and that we will be using in class to help you remember the countries and capitals. If you write it down in order, like I've given you on this page and on the capital page name, then you should be good to go. Buena suerte.